Today we are exploring Chapter 1, Lesson 1 in your 5th grade math book. We are on page 11 and we're talking about place value through millions. If you look at the top of your page, it says a place value chart shows the value of the digits in a number. In greater numbers, each group of 3 digits is separated by commas and is called a period. Let's go to Math in My World and see what that means. Math in My World, example 1. The distance from the Earth to the Sun is 92,955,793 miles. Use the place value chart to list the value of each digit. This is what it was mentioning before. Each group of 3 digits is separated by commas and is called a period. So here in green is the ones period. Here in, what is that, yellow, cream, is the thousands period. And here in blue is the millions period. Each of those is separated by a comma. Okay, so when we're talking about digits to the millions period, every time we see a comma, we should be saying something about that period, right? 92 million refers to the millions period, right? 955,000 refers to the thousands period, and 793 refers to the ones period, okay? So each time we approach a comma, we are saying what period we have just passed, okay? In this particular case, so this is how we would complete the place value chart. 92,955,793. List the values of each digit. When we list the values of each digit, we take each individual digit and we say what its value is according to the place value chart. So if the 9 is placed in the position of the 10 millions, then it is worth 9 times 10 million, which would be 90 million. If the 2 is placed at the 1 million mark, then its value is 2 times 1 million, which would be 2 million, and so forth. So the next 9 is placed in the hundred thousands position. So it is 9 times 100,000. Therefore, it is worth 900,000. That is its value, okay, according to its place value. The 5 in 92,955,000, the first 5 there is in the 10,000s place. It is worth 5 times the place value of that. It is worth 5 times the place value of 10,000. So it is worth 50,000. The 5 to its right is in the thousands period, but it is in the ones place within that period. So it is in the 1,000s place. Therefore, it is worth 5 times 1,000, which is 5,000. The 7 is in the hundreds place. It is worth 700. The 9 is in the tens place, which is worth 90. The 3 is in the ones place, which is worth 3. When we are looking at those digits, each digit is worth 10 times what it is to the digit to its right. A digit in one place, or place value, represents 10 times as much as it represents in the place to its right, and 1/10 of what it represents in the place to its left. So here we have a 3. Let's say we had the same digit in each box. Let's say we had 1. The 1 in this place represents just 1. The 1 in this place represents 10, which is 10 times as much as 1. And the 1 in the hundreds place is worth 10 times 10, right? The 1 here represents 10. The 1 here represents 100. 100 is 10 times more than 10. Same thing for the next one, which is 1,000, and so forth. So every box is worth 10 times as much as the box to its right, and 10 times less than the box to its left. A digit in one place or place value represents 10 times as much as it represents in the place to its right, and 1/10 of what it represents in the place to its left. The standard form of a number is the usual or common way to write a number using digits. The expanded form of a number is a way of writing a number as the sum of the values of its digits. The places with 0 as a digit are not included in the expanded form. Okay, let's take a look at how to do that. The human eye, this is example 2 in Math in My World. The human eye blinks an average of 5,500,000 times a year. Write 5,500,000 in word form and expanded form. So I'm looking at my commas. I'm going to start over here. I have 5,500,000 times a year. Write the number in word form. Well, if I were to write that same number in word form, it would be 5,500,000. If we write the number in expanded form, right, the way of writing a number as the sum of the values of its digits, we have to recognize that that 5 million is the same as saying 5 times 1 million. And that's really what they want you to draw out here. 5 times 1 million plus 5 times 100,000. Guided practice. Write the value of the highlighted digit. The 9 is in the tens place, so its value is 9 times 10, which is the same as 90, right? It's worth the value of the digit times the place value. Number 2, the value of the highlighted digit is 9 times 10,000. It's in the 10,000s place. 9 times 10,000 equals 90,000. Okay. Number 3, circle the digit in the 10,000s place. The 10,000s place is this 3. That's it for the direct instruction portion of our math lesson today. Go ahead and work independently on pages 13 and 14, and then we will check as a group. See you soon.